Yep, put them all in the pile. Take a little piece of that. You can make it a smaller piece.
A bigger piece.
Oh, you trying to go pyromaniac. All right. Here you go. Go ahead. Light it up, Neff.
There we go. Oh, it's burning.
Keep burning. Burn some more. You got it. So you need actual fire to light it. I'll go ahead and put it on the charcoal.
Alright.
Don't be afraid. Ain't nothing gonna happen to you. You ain't gotta throw it. Grab it. There we go. Now you can set it down. Now it's gonna catch. See that? Spark that grill. Now if you look at that. Now you want to keep this away from the grill because this is dangerous. Yes. So never keep this by the grill. You ain't got to be afraid. It ain't on fire.
I just don't want smoke in my.
So you see which way the smoke is going? Yes. So come to the side when you put it on there. That way it's not in your face. There you go. And quit throwing it like you terrified. It ain't gonna burn you. Ain't no fire. You don't pour it all in one spot. You're gonna waste the fluid.
Oops.
And don't be afraid. Get close. All right, that's enough.
I like that smoke.
Yeah, there you go. And then get that other side that we didn't get. Perfect. So now you can go to that middle. Don't worry. There you go. You see how that side lit so fast because we just did that part?
So
and the middle.
Ignites?
Yeah. And it's going to catch because they're all connected. And if you wanted to, you can go to the other side and do it, but you don't have to. It's going to do it eventually. If you didn't have that long lighter, you could always light paper. Okay? You want to light a paper? Yes, please. I knew you did. Have fun with that. And you put it, get closer to the left side. Look at that, boy. Yes, sir.
Woo!
Smoky.
All
right, your grill is nice and clean. The lines were vertical. Yep, perfect. So we putting them horizontal so we'll have lines on our hot dogs. There you go. Don't be scared, ain't nobody gonna get you.
I mean, like, I don't want to get burnt. That's the problem.
Look, ain't no fire by you. All you gotta do is not hit the grill. Gas grill. And we got the charcoal. Used to be a gas grill. Just turned it into a hybrid, baby. Got it now.
Woo! Oh, I feel my nails getting.
Yep. Grab the big part of the chicken, not the little baby part. It'll be easier to grab. First time grilling, I see you, boy. Keep going. You out here getting it. So we gotta put all these chickens on. That boy said he want responsibility. This is the start. That's why everything we do, the workouts, it's all about perseverance, fighting through. Everybody gonna be so happy when they taste your grilled chicken.
I would say you can send me a video now. That's
Yes,
what
sir.
I would say.
Good job. Yes, sir.
Cooking today.
Oh, two at a time. Bring it closer. It don't fall.
Like, that's enough
There you go.
space. Here we go.
Just like that. Hold it tight and then flip. And then straighten it up. You can let it go and move it. Yeah. Perfect. There we go. This is that juice that was marinated in.
All that
That's gonna keep it moist. That's why I like the copper grill mats, because it ain't gonna fall through. It's gonna stay there and cook in this beautiful juice we got. All right, we got the charcoal joint jumping off. Then we got the gas joint popping off. The chicken. We're flipping the chicken from the back. Man, you ain't listening to nothing. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. That's it.
Grab it tight like you mean it.
Like if you want to like.
Yeah, there you go. You gotta use your muscle. That's why we work out. The longer you hold it, the harder it's gonna be. See, that's why I said start in the back. See? Because it's just gonna get hotter and hotter, and you take a long time, it's gonna get hotter and hotter and hotter.
So the back is more hotter?
The back is gonna be hotter, and pretty much because your hand is gonna be over the grill.
Ah, I hate this thing.
There you go. Hold it tight. That's how you control it. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
You see how you got them lines on there? Because we let it sit for a long time before we flipped it.
Well, I see some blood already.
Yeah, it's gonna bleed. That's how you know it ain't done.
No, I mean blood.
I know. If it's blood, then it ain't done.
Small sacrifice.
Good save. Great job. Now we're gonna switch tongs and then flip the ribs. Show them how it's done, nephew. Chef Johnny Boy, Johnny Goat. Great job, Neff. We're gonna check as soon as you finish this one.
Whoops.
You good. Perfect. Let's close this one. Switch tongs. Looking good over here. You're looking real good. Flip these ones right here. The small, little skinny one. Perfect. Sauce. Little hidden secret. Grill of onion. Give it that onion flavor on that John. You feel me? Oh. Time to add sauce. Oh yeah. Let's go. Perfect. And then put them on the other two. Good. One more. You got the last rib.
Whoa.
And then you're gonna brush it like a painter. Get it in every inch of the rib. Yeah. There you go. Now you painting, my boy. The main ingredient is having fun and pouring love into it. They can taste the love. Ooh. There you go. Straighten it out. Yep, perfect. There you go. Perfect. Try and get as much meat as you can when you flip it. Like go a little further in towards the middle. See how it's about to break? You want to go deeper in. Come towards the middle. Yeah, there you go. That's how you control it. All right, you're getting a little wild. Getting a little wild. Yeah. Actually, you're looking perfect. You use the same one you was using before. That one. Yep. Get it in all them parts, all the little burnt, little charcoal spots you see. They're gonna want that sauce. Sing, boy. There you go. We got one more rib over there. Let's get him right. All right. Now, if you get burnt bad, you want to put cold water on it. And make sure you get these little top parts and these two. See how it's all dry? You want that to be sauce.
Go ahead, big dog.
I'm on it. Keeping you till the morning time. I make you want it.
Tender.
Slow baby when you want fun. Slow baby when you want fun. Oh baby when you want fun. Slow baby when you want fun. Come next to me. I'll put you next to me. Y'all gotta get this shit. Yeah, yeah, that's
And 1, 2, 3.